Hi kids! I know it's impossible for you to multiply a 3-digit number by 3-digit number mentally. But no, you can do it. We have done it in a 2-digit by 2-digit number already. Why can't we multiply a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number? Tara, let's try to do it. There are two versions of the technique that we are going to use. Version 1 and version 2. Multiplying a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. Ano tong version 2? Dahil sa tagumpay ng ABCD technique to multiply 2-digit by 2-digit number mentally, binago ko ang itong version na ito upang ma-accommodate ang 3 by 3-digit number. Tara, tingnan natin kung ito ay epektibo. Kapag sanay na kayo, no need to expand the numbers. Gaya ng version 1, we have 9 steps in the whole process. Just like the ABCD technique, it starts with tens times ones. 20 times 2 is 40. Step 2. Multiply the tens and the ones. Pwedeng ilump dun sa step 1. 30 times 1 is 30, and the result of step 1 is 40, therefore it is 70 at this point. Third step is to multiply the ones and the ones. 1 times 2 is 2. Therefore, the accumulated sum is 72 at this point. Step 4. Tens and tens. 20 times 30 is equal to 600. Therefore, at this point, the sum is 672. Dahil pareho na naman ang process ng steps 5 and 6, pwede na nating pagsamahin ito, multiplying the hundreds and the ones. Therefore, 100 times 2 is 200, plus 200 is equal to 400. The sum of steps 5 and 6 is equal to 400. Therefore, at this point, the accumulated sum is 1072. Now, let's proceed with steps 7 and 8. We are multiplying hundreds and tens. Expected product is thousands and a maximum of 10,000. The sum of steps 7 and 8 is equal to 7,000. At this point, the accumulated sum is equal to 8,072. Now let's go on to the last step, step 9. Let's multiply hundreds times hundreds. Minimum product is 5-digit and maximum is 6-digit number. So, 100 times 200 is equal to 20,000. Now, the total accumulated sum is equal to 28,072. O ayan, pumili na kayo ng version kung saan kayo mas comfortable in multiplying 3-digit by 3-digit numbers mentally. Good luck! IVFC makes math easy. Walang kulalat sa math. Walang kulalat sa math. A campaign on numeracy brought to you by I Volunteer for Filipino Children.